Well, just last week, Governor Jay Inslee announced masks are no longer required at large outdoor events, and that starts Friday.
As these mandates take a back seat, the Spokane Regional Health District says you should still be mindful.
Encourage all of us to have a little bit more patience, be kind to those around you, be kind to others.
And here's how much patience we practiced in the last 2 years. In June of 2020, the statewide mask mandate goes into effect in Washington. Almost a year later, the mask mandate is lifted. Most people were allowed back in public spaces inside without a mask in May of 2021. That didn't last long. We had to put the mask back on in August of 2021. That's more than a year and a half of mask wearing. Vanessa Perez is here in studio with where you'll still need to wear a mask once the mandate is lifted.
With changes headed our way very soon, it's important to note there is still a federal mask mandate in place, so you'll still need to wear one on a plane, bus, and train. Dr. Velasquez said today as these mandates relax to make the best decision for you and those around you, like when you're around people that could be at risk because of age or condition. He says to also follow the rules of the House. The Spokane Regional Health District says they haven't heard any specifics from the governor about the indoor mask mandate lifting yet. Dr. Velasquez says masks are still useful tools and will continue to be.
We are on a downward trend, which I think is great and really fills all of us with optimism for spring and summer. But we still have a number of cases. We still have a number of cases in the hospital. We still have a number of pediatric cases in the hospital.
As for the CDC, they say when they update their guidance, they'll communicate that clearly, which will be based on data and science. Reporting in the studio, Vanessa Perez, 4 News Now.
As we prepare for the governor to lift the indoor mask mandate, King County says starting March 1st, you won't be required to show proof of vaccination at restaurants, gyms, and other indoor entertainment venues. The requirement started back in October. Businesses can still set their own rules when it comes to checking for proof of vaccination or a recent negative COVID test.